Hi everybody, this is Jennifer at Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. How are you all doing today? I'm posting this video to celebrate the achievement of my channel reaching 100 subscribers. I said I would do a giveaway of an ephemera Rolodex, so here we go. And this is a Rolodex that I'll be giving away here with this cute lemon paper on it. It will have some different ephemera. It won't all be this Christmas ephemera. It will be some eclectic choices, let's say, different things. But it will be full of ephemera. And it's got vintage, some distressed edges. There's a video I'll link below where I actually made this. You can see that. All you need to do is comment below by Monday, October 31st at midnight, October 31st at midnight to be entered. So comment below on this video by Monday, and I will do a random drawing on Tuesday the 1st and announce the winner. The prize is this ephemera Rolodex that you see here. And I do want to say thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. I'm very excited to see how far we're going to grow as a channel. That's all for now at Junk Journals by Jen. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye, everybody.